Hey everyone, so today I want to talk to you a little bit more about the pelvic floor. So, whether you're newly pregnant, newly postpartum, or you're just not quite sure what the pelvic floor is, if you've heard people talk about it before. So, the pelvic floor is a group of muscles and they act as a muscular sling that sit at the bottom of the pelvis. They expand from your pubic bone across to the tailbone and from hip bone to hip bone. So, all these red muscles here on this model. They support the organs in this area. So your uterus, your bladder, your rectum, the muscles here help support the weight of those organs. And then they also work with our diaphragm and our abdominals to help control pressure in the abdomen with things such as coughing, sneezing, laughing, jumping, any activities as low impact as sneezing to high impact as jumping or running. They also work with our sphincter control. So the smaller pelvic floor muscles on the outside, they help control the opening and closing. So releasing stool or releasing urine, controlling that flow in the body. So if you've never used your pelvic floor muscles before or have thought about how you use them, I always like to show people with this exercise ball. So if you're unfamiliar of what it feels like to use your pelvic floor muscles, whether that's contract or relax them, I have someone start on the ball, and then as you inhale, you should feel a little bit of pressure into that ball as your pelvic floor relaxes with the inhale. As you exhale, that's when you're going to contract your pelvic floor muscles. So it's a squeeze and a lift. So as you exhale, you're squeezing and lifting, and you should feel that pressure in your pelvic area come away from the ball. So you want to see how long you can hold this for. So start with, 5 seconds. Can you hold that squeeze and lift for 5 seconds? If you can do up to 10 seconds, you can do that as well. And then after that contraction, almost more important than that, especially as you're getting towards the end of pregnancy, is being able to relax your pelvic floor. So completely unclenching, unsqueezing, and letting those muscles drop back down onto the ball.